Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. By the way, I'm Rich and welcome to my channel. For today's video, join me as I show you 3 easy ways how to wrap your gifts. So what are you waiting for? Let's go!
The most famous reindeer of all,
Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, had a
Happy
very
holidays!
shiny
Do you
nose.
guys feel the Christmas rush already? Anyway, as someone whose love language, aside from acts of service, is gifts, that's why I love to give gifts and receive them. I make it a point to personally wrap the gifts that I give to my loved ones. And for this year, I decided to do a minimalist slash eco-friendly take on it. That's why I won't be using any plastic like those plastic ribbons or scotch tape and even double adhesive tape. But instead, I'll be using eco-friendly materials. So here they are.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
So there, let's get started. For the first one, it's the most basic wrapping technique. I think we all know this. So we just have to wrap the paper around the gift and tuck it at the sides. The second one is my favorite. It's the wings technique. Why wings? Well, I'll show you in a few. I like it because it requires the least adhesive. So it's sort of like an origami, but a very easy one. So anyone can do it. So here it is. And last but not the least is the most flexible amongst all the wrapping techniques because it can cover different shapes of gifts, especially the ones without a box, like oddly shaped ones like plushies, t-shirts, a ball, or what have you. So let me show you. But you're probably like, Rich, that looks like a grocery bag. Well, you're right. That's why let me show you a few ways how to make it look special. So let's open it up and put the plushies in. There you have it! I hope you learned a few tips and tricks on how to wrap your gifts. By the way, let me remind you that even though these material things can make people smile, I think one of the best gifts that we can give to our loved ones is our time. So, if it's not possible to give them a visit because of the lockdowns and the quarantine, why don't you give them a call and talk to them and just be there for them? And of course, please take good care of your health because as cliche as it sounds, our health is our wealth. Besides, our life is the best gift that we could possibly have in this world. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, it's your boy Rich, and I'll see you on the next video.